Children, hope you enjoyed the previous activity. Now we will move on to our next activity. The next activity is about recap of standing and sleeping lines. The learning objectives for the activity are to recap pre-writing strokes, standing and sleeping lines, to enhance cognitive skills, to develop hand-eye coordination, and to enhance fine motor skills. The resources that we need for the activity are worksheets, paintbrush, crayons, water. So children, here I have these two flashcards for you. The first one is, can you identify which line it is? Yes, it is standing line. And the second flashcard is about sleeping line. All right. Now we are going to have the recaps of these standing and sleeping lines. We are going to do few activities. All right. The first activity is air tracing. In the air tracing, we encourage to use our pointing finger and make the standing and sleeping line in air. Like for example, for the standing line, we take our pointing finger and move from top to bottom or up to down in a straight line. We start from the top and come all the way to the bottom. All right. And for sleeping line, we make use of our pointing finger and move it in the air from all the way from left to right. All right. From left all the way to the right. This is how we make the standing and sleeping lines in the air. All right. Next is the activity where we do water tracing. So what we do here is, on a floor using a chalk, we will make a standing and sleeping lines. All right. Then children, you have to take a paintbrush and water in a bowl. Now dip the paintbrush in water and trace on the standing line followed by sleeping line. All right. So how we do that? We have first drawn the standing and sleeping line on the floor with the help of chalk. All right. Then we took a paintbrush and dip it in a water. Dip it in a bowl which has water. All right. Then take that paintbrush and trace on the standing line from top to bottom or up to down. All right. So you have to trace on the sleeping line which is drawn with the help of chalk, with the help of the paintbrush which is dipped in water. Okay. From top to bottom. Similarly, we will again dip the paintbrush in water and trace on the sleeping line which goes from left all the way to the right. All right. So we'll take the paintbrush dipped in the water and trace on the pre-drawn sleeping line with the help of chalk. All right. From left all the way to the right. So till now we did the air tracing and water tracing. All right. Now our third activity, children, is very interesting. You love it. That is crayon tracing. So now parents, find the alongside worksheet on apps resource folder, or you can make the same on the sheet of paper. Now I will be demonstrating the worksheet to the children in the following steps. So children, I have this worksheet over here for you. Can you identify the lines on the worksheet? You can see that the lines are going from left all the way to the right. Can you tell me now which kind of line is this? That is sleeping line. Yes. So now what we do is we take the crayon and we start tracing the line from left all the way to the right. Alright. So we take the crayon and we trace the line from left all the way to the right. Similarly, we trace the remaining lines as well for the practice. Parents, kindly do not hold the hand of the child while he or she is tracing the line. Now we have the second worksheet here. Children, I am sure you can identify these lines. Yes, these are standing lines. Very good. Now we take the crayon and we have this worksheet over here for tracing the line given on the worksheet. As you said, that is correct. It is a standing line. So now we take the crayon and trace the line from top to bottom. Okay. So we start from the top of the red circle and come all the way down on the line to the red circle at the bottom. Similarly, we will trace the line between the two green circles and the two blue circles from top all the way to the bottom blue circle, from top of the green circle all the way till the bottom of the second green circle. All right. Parents, wherever the child needs help, kindly help them, but do not hold the hand of the child while he or she is tracing the line. Hope you enjoyed the activity and you got the understanding of how to draw the standing and sleeping lines. Thank you.